Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. And so I'm back out here at the park. Pretty nice day, y'all. Not too much wind, not too hot out here. A little cool breeze blowing. You can see the trees moving a little bit, ever so slightly. And it's Throwback Thursday, y'all. And so I bought a little throwback, kind of on a different vibe this morning. And so I brought something out from Walmart. The Lumo Stunt, y'all. This thing is pretty cool. Not bad at all for altitude hold flyer. Got nice lights on it. But the only thing I didn't like about the lights on this thing is they all seem the same color. Blue lights. But they do make the distinction of having light blue in the front and dark blue in the rear. I still think that's odd though, y'all. You can just barely make out the distinction from the front and back with this thing when flying it at night. Other than that, pretty decent flyer. Cool little transmitter. Somebody was asking me about how you turn this thing on. This knob right here is actually the power switch. You turn it to the right and it'll turn it on. You turn it back to the left and it turns it off. But let's get this guy in the air. On and off button is on the bottom, along with a USB type C port to charge this thing. And we're going straight to high speeds, y'all. 3 speeds on this guy. Told y'all this is a good flyer. Not bad at all. Oh! And the props are protected. Sheesh, through all that, I thought I was about to get back in the air. A little too much banging around and stuff. I guess we didn't make it. Guess that's the reason why. But the props are fully protected. You can bop this thing against the walls indoors, crash it into trees like I did, and still have nice props on this thing. It does seem like it needs to be recalibrated though, because it's not flying as fast. Okay, it's getting up there now. Let's see a flip. So it does do flips too. Check it out. Now when you press forward with this thing, it actually does side flips. Sometimes it did a front flip that time. It's just doing random flips in any direction now. I think it's that way by design though. Let me try to recalibrate this thing though, because it's not flying as fast as it usually does. Just a little breeze that it's fighting against, but I think that crash really scrambled its brain. So let's bring it down. We're gonna go both sticks to the inner lower corners, and we're back flying fast again. So anytime you have a crash or whatnot and it starts flying weird on you, not really flying fast on its third speed, then just recalibrate it. You have to sit it down on a level surface. Look at the lights. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can see the lights here, and It's actually dark blue in the front and light blue in the rear. I think I had it opposite when I was explaining it earlier. But nevertheless, same color LEDs on the front and the back. This thing is by Sharper Image, and you can grab it at Walmart. You can grab it online as well from Amazon. I'll have a link in the description so you guys can check it out. But Sharper Image, same color LEDs in the front and the rear. Not good, guys. I guess it could be worse though. It could be the exact same color. Seems like some of these companies think that just having LEDs in the front and the rear with no distinctions helps with night flying. Just lights, period, they might think. So it's flashing now, y'all. That means it's time to bring this guy in. Let's bring it in for a landing. It does have a sensor so that as soon as you land this thing, the motors turn off. So you can do hand catches like that. Pretty cool little drone from Walmart. Well, you can get this at Walmart, but it's from Sharper Image. That's a Walmart brand. You can also get this thing on Amazon again. And pretty cool little flyer. The Lumo Stunt. Thanks for watching.